Hey everyone, it's Megan, and today we've got special guest, little Roro face. Yes, this is my green cheek conure. Yes. And today we're going to be reacting to a very special video. Yes. You got a lot to say about it, don't you? Yes. We're going to be reacting to GOT7's new video, Fly. Just came out today and we're very excited. Thank you. I know you're excited, but stop chewing on my ear, okay? Yes. Okay. Yes. Are you going to watch or are you going to have your butt to the video? Okay. My ear. Yes. Yes. My ear. Okay. Oh, are you ready? Are you ready? You ready for my ear? All right. Let's watch. Yes. Here we go. So I saw the teaser for this and it looked fun. Hello, Jackson. I am liking the choreo so far. Yeah. I know a lot of people were saying based on the teaser that it looked like they were stealing from BTS. But they've got a lot more of a choreo based. Yeah. Are you gonna fly? Or are you gonna chew on my face? That was interesting. The slow motion, and then they sped it right back up. Mark. Step. Ooh. Yummy's rapping now? What? What? Okay. Good job, Junior. And here's where they fly. This is what we saw in the teaser. Yes. Can't tell if he's flying yet or if he's still just falling. Well, now they're flying, and he's still just. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh, poor Junior. Oh, it's on the tree. Okay. Yeah. That was good. I really liked that. I've been following GOT7 for quite a while. Yes. I know you have too. Not since the beginning, because you weren't born yet. No, you weren't. But are you done? Thank you. Oh no, now you're gonna be a brat? Okay. So I have their words. Can we words, Rory? they're coming to the U.S. for their for Flying USA. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to be going yet. A little too excited still about BAP. But this video is not about them. It's about GOT7. So, I haven't yet decided. We will see how I'm feeling at the time when the tickets go on sale. Things like that. But yeah, I really liked that video. I thought it was really, really well done. Loved the song. Let me know what you guys thought. What? You're a brat. Did I not let you talk enough? Did you have more to say? Jeez. Okay. So tell them what you thought. No, now you're done? Well, okay then. Anyway, so let me know what you thought. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, remember that music has no language, which is why Rory likes it so much. Yes.